Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Another video, I know. So today I have a unboxing of my Simply Gilded bundle. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it's sold out anyway. This was released about 2 weeks ago. This is my first bundle. I've actually never purchased from Simply Gilded. I do have something that I bought from a buy-sold trade group, but anyway, you guys are going to see. I kind of was hinting towards purchasing something that I don't usually have. So let me cut this open while I'm talking about this. I was kind of like hinting towards like, oh, I have something to haul that I usually don't ever show on my channel. I mean, you guys see me use Washi. You saw me use Washi here and there, but this is a whole different ballpark. So I got the Washi to primarily use in my hourly planner, and you guys already know the whole spiel with my hourly planner if you watched that video. If you haven't, check it out. So let's go ahead with the unboxing. I'm telling you guys, there's a lot of heat in here. So I'm actually gonna flip it like this. So the bundle comes with tons of stuff, and it was called the new release bundle. So in there, I'm going to try to remember what these Washis are called. But in the bundle, you get a journaling card, you get the bow stickers, and then you get the Washi. So let's go ahead and bust this open. The bow stickers are still on her site, so if you guys like these, you definitely can still get them. I guess this is her little freebie, so let's just go through the stickers, which very nice quality. I love the foiling on the edge. And this kind of matches the tropical, kind of looks like it matches the tropical set a little bit, and you guys will see what I'm talking about once I get through the Washi. There are those bow stickers. We have these with the hollow, which, oh my god, these are really nice. I didn't think that I was gonna really want these, but they're very pretty. We have the neutrals. So nice. They're in the neutrals. I love this brown. And then we have this more pastel color with the rose gold foil on the edges. Very pretty. Okay. And I will link this shop below. You'll want to definitely follow her if you're not familiar with Simply Gilded. You'll want to follow her on Instagram to learn about her releases, and better yet, you should probably just join her Facebook group, which I will link all of that below. So here's the journaling card, which is beautiful. So it has that hollow Stay Magical. People collect these, so I will be doing something with mine. This looks like it can, smaller than a B6, kind of looks more like closer to A6, huh? But there's the journaling card. Ooh, then we have, oh, these are so this is the tropical sets. The tropical sets came in these boxes. So how about we go through the tropical sets first? So with the Washi, this box here is going to be the larger set, which is the 15mm, and this is going to be the smaller set, which is the 10mm. I don't want to trash the box, but let me try and get it open. Ooh, so pretty. All right, so these are going to be the thicker. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Put this box to the side. Very pretty. It says just for boutique washi tapes, and as you can see, it says tropical collection on there. The branding is amazing on this. So we have this green with the gold bows. So pretty. And we have the blue with the silver bows. Again, so pretty. The pink with the gold. I'm not a pink fan, but this is really pretty. As I say that, my nails are pink. And then the yellow, which is really why I wanted this set. The yellow with the silver bows. So there are those. How beautiful are all those? So that's the 15mm. Put those to the side, and then we're gonna go through the skinny ones. So this is basically standard, and then these right here are going to be these skinny ones. So in essence, there's the skinny. There's the branding on this box. Very pretty. I just set the box. So we have the green skinny with the skinnier bows. the blue with the silver skinnier bows, the pink with the gold skinny bows, and then the yellow. Ooh, so, so pretty. So these all have their own little sets. How nice are those? Look at it, look at that. So, so nice. All right, so we'll put those over to the side and we'll go through our next set, which is the black and pink. How pretty is this? So I got the black and pink. This is the standard of the 15mm. So pretty. Look at that. Look at those bows. I love like the bows, the stamping on them, or however they're applied to the washi tape. They're not blotchy. They're very solid. Very good craftsmanship. And then we have these skinnier bows here. Sorry if that's too close. I like the skinny bows. I thought that I really wouldn't kind of like them, but now that I'm looking at them from afar, I do like them. Then in the bundle, which is not, this is actually one that I really didn't want, to be honest with you, but I think it'll make really cute. This is just Heart and Vine. And this is actually still on stock on the site if you're interested in this, like just this washi alone with some other things. But I think this will work well for, like, I like to mark when I'm going to be out of work for an extended period of time, like a week span, or like, for example, my dad's coming the 3rd through the 6th, so I'll mark that with this washi. So there's that, and this is ultra, this is even skinnier than that one, so I don't even know what that measurement is. All right, trying to save like the very best for last, so give me a second. Put this to the side. We got these pink and the navy polka dot with the gold bows. Let's look at them individually. So there's the pink polka dot with the gold bows. Cute. I don't know, I kind of like this too. In pictures I was like, meh, but there's that one, and then we have the navy with the gold bows, the navy polka dot. I love polka dots. I'm kind of a sucker for polka dots, so maybe that's why I like it, and I didn't think I would. But there is that. So there are those together. And I did want to say something. The tropical collection actually has released before. So she has Irene is the owner of the shop, and so when she re-releases things, she kind of renames them. So this is actually the tropical collection 2.0. When she initially released it, it was obviously, now it's called 1.0 because she has a 2.0. So I don't know what's the major difference. I don't know if maybe the gold is different or what, but it feels like something's crawling on me. Sorry guys. I don't know what's the difference. I'm not a Simply Gilded washi guru, but I did want to just notate that. And these are actually, if you like these, I'd say wait for her to re-release them in June. I think she's gonna re-release them pretty early on in June. So if you're interested in them, they are re-releasing. But she does have like a Galaxy 1.0 set and a Galaxy 2.0 set, things like that. Just to let you guys know. She has like OG colors, and you know, if you add yourself to the Simply Gilded Facebook group, you'll see all the different stuff that is going on in that group. So next we have the Aqua and Pink, and this one is referenced as PlannerCon Mama. So I guess at PlannerCon, the attendees received a skinnier version of this. So it was probably this skinny, and it was similar to these colors. And so she released this as the Aqua and Pink with this bundle. And also everything here was sold alone too. I want to say, if you didn't get the bundle, you could try and get the things individually. So you were able to, like, if you just like this one, you could have just purchased this one. But yeah, this one is referenced in the Simply Gilded group as Planner Con Mama. So this one is really, really pretty. And there's different variations of this one. So you could have the pink at the bottom, pink at the top, pink in the middle, pink maybe a little bit like 3/4 of the way down. It just depends which one you got. So I got the pink at the bottom, which I think is very pretty. It's a very small hint of it. So I like that, just to show you guys the bottom. But I do like that there are variations of this. This one is very, very pretty. And then finally, last but not least, the real reason I wanted the bundle, the real reason I wanted to go for this release is the Rainbow Ombre set. So let's go ahead through the 15mm first. So as you guys can see, it's just a ombre washi with the holographic bows. They are so pretty. It's hollow ombre is how they reference it in the group. I'm just trying to give you guys these little tip-ins so that if you do add yourself to the group, you can kind of understand the lingo. Took me a few days to understand what everybody was talking about. But there is the 15mm, which is beautiful. And then we have the 10mm, which is equally as nice. So pretty. And these bows are even skinnier. Like if you guys could tell. With the black and pink, you see those are skinny. These are like penciled in. So very, very pretty. There are those together. So comment down below what's your favorite set that I've shown today, or even single roll, even if maybe you like this one. But I am very, very happy with the purchase. And like I said, if you guys are interested in these washis, you should really add yourself to the Facebook group. Follow Irene on Instagram, and her Instagram is Simply Gilded if you're interested in stuff. Because I'm telling you right now, her stuff goes really fast. So especially like hot sought after items. And also don't be alarmed if you do add yourself to the buy sell trade group, because the prices are high. But not to say that, not to say that negatively. If I don't want something, I just scroll past. Like if I think that it's not in my range, I just scroll past. But just to kind of give you guys that little buffer, just to let you guys know, yeah, it's a little steep in there. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this. It's a little bit different than what I usually show on my channel, accessory wise, because I'm usually just showing stickers, filming plan with me's. But if you like this, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, everyone.